Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Nissan Serena. It has the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has 18,735 original miles. It does come with the 2 doors in the front, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. It does come with these interior hanging rails on each side, front and rear climate control. Oh, sorry. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. The lights do go away once you start the vehicle. The number you're seeing right there, 30,152. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 18,735. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I did want to say thank you so much for the continual support. It means the world to us. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.